Okay, this is help with ID manufacturing project part 4. This is a help video on how to build the part. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to start 2D sketch, hit the bottom one there, and I want to draw a rectangle that is upright as easiest for me. That is 2 inches by 1 inch. Okay, so I've drawn the rectangle. Pretty small part. Shouldn't be a problem though. Finish sketch. Going to extrude it up. Going to my drawing, 1/2 inch. Again, I am looking at another screen on another computer as I build this, just because it's easier to reference it. Okay, so I now have my square. So now I'm going to cut 2 rectangles. I'm going to create a new sketch. The top here. And it looks like they're 1/2 inch squares. So I hit rectangle, grab a corner. So they're 1 inch by half. So I hit 0.5, tab 1. Again, going to do the same thing for the bottom. 0.5, tab 1. Finish sketch. I'm going to extrude them down. I'm going to cut them. Looks like they are cut down 0.38. I'm going to assume that I mean 0.375. And remember, that is a negative number. Obviously I didn't. So now I've got that cut. Looks like it is a 0.75 rectangle in the center of it. So start to sketch, start on top there. So that's 1/8 on each side. So I'm just going to draw a rectangle, and then I'm going to dimension it from here to here at 0.125. Here to here, 0.125. I'm just going to click, get this faster. Click, click, 0.125, and click, click, 0.125. Now that'll come out to 0.75. So finish sketch. I'm going to extrude it, going to cut it again, negative 0.375. Hit OK. So the only thing I've left is the holes, and I have a little hole here, so I'll probably do it next because this is probably the most complicated. So I'm going to use point just because it's easier in this reference. So I'm going to put a point. According to my drawing, it is 0.1 down and 1/2 inch over. So click in the center dot, click here, 0.1, and it needs to be in the center, which is there, which is 0.5. Finish sketch. Going to use the hole command. It is a 1/8 inch hole. So type in 0.125. Now I highly suggest distance all, and I highly suggest clicking on that home button just to make sure it's going to go all the way through. So I hit OK. Now I've got the hole. Next, I'm going to put the new sketches. New sketch. I have 2 holes on each end. They are 1/4 inch holes. Probably use the point command again because it's just a little easier. So I'll just drop some points. Dimension. So from the edge, it is 0.25. From the edge, I'll just reference it. And it looks like it's in the middle. So that is 0.5. Okay, looks good. Finish sketch. Again, use hole. I am going to use a 1/4 inch hole. So I select my points. You notice it's still referenced from last time, 0.25. Again, I'm going to change it to all just to double check my math. And according to that, I should be good. That's the part. One thing that I always encourage you to do on these parts is go ahead and put the engrave. So I'll do that for you real quick. I'd probably just put it maybe right there. I'm going to put a text. I'll put Lao. And I'm going to rotate it around. It's too big. So I'm going to make it a little smaller. There. And so now I can finish sketch and I can extrude Lao. So I want to use cut it. Oh, it didn't select for whatever reason. I apologize. I have 0.0625. You can even go 03. I'll probably go 03. That's even less. And that means that part is engraved. And I could put a decal on it. I don't really have a decal on the bottom here if I wanted to get the most points for that project. Okay, that's it.